Have you ever pondered over your skincare routine? That's right, the ritual you perform daily or perhaps twice a day to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Ever wondered if there's more to it than just those pricey creams and serums? Well, there is. And it's surprisingly simple, accessible, and made with ingredients you probably have in your pantry right now. Now let's talk about a skincare game-changer DIY face masks. These aren't just your typical homemade concoctions. We're talking about a powerful blend of cocoa and coconut milk. Yes, you heard it right. Cocoa, known for its antioxidant properties, and coconut milk, a natural hydrator, team up to create a face mask that's not just delightful, but also nourishing to your skin. So, if you're ready to venture into the world of DIY skincare and bring the spa experience right at home, then perhaps it's time you tried a DIY face mask. Specifically, a cocoa and coconut milk face mask. For this exquisite nutrient-packed mask, you only need 2 simple ingredients. The first star of the show is cocoa powder. Not just a sweet treat, cocoa is a superfood in its own right, boasting a wealth of antioxidants that are instrumental in promoting skin health. It's like a personal guard for your skin, fighting off damage caused by environmental stressors and slowing down the aging process. The result? A complexion that's not just healthier, but also more youthful and vibrant. Our second key ingredient is none other than coconut milk. Famously used in many tropical cuisines, coconut milk is a natural powerhouse when it comes to hydration. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, providing essential moisture that maintains elasticity and wards off dryness. And let's not forget, it's also rich in nourishing fatty acids and vitamins that further boost skin health. Now imagine combining these 2 potent ingredients. What you get is a delightful face mask that's not just indulgent, but also incredibly nourishing. It's a mask that allows you to enjoy a spa-like treatment right in the comfort of your home, using only natural ingredients. The beauty of this mask lies not just in its simplicity, but also its versatility. You'll need just 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Blend them into a smooth paste, and you have a mask that's ready to lavish your skin with TLC. And the best part? You can adjust the texture to suit your skin's specific needs and preferences. So, there you have it. 2 simple yet powerful ingredients that work in harmony to create a luxurious face mask. A mask that encourages you to embrace DIY skincare practices that are not just cost-effective, but also free from harmful chemicals. With just these 2 ingredients, you're set to create a luxurious, nourishing face mask. A mask that's sure to leave your skin feeling pampered, glowing, and incredibly soft. So why wait? It's time to treat your skin to a little bit of luxury. The process of making this mask is as easy as it sounds. Let's dive into the specifics. To begin, you will need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Cocoa, as you may recall, is a superfood packed with antioxidants that combat skin damage and promote a healthier complexion. So not only will you be indulging in a deliciously chocolatey skincare ritual, but you'll also be giving your skin a boost of antioxidant-rich care. Next, you'll require 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. This natural ingredient is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration, providing your skin with essential moisture. This can help maintain skin elasticity and reduce dryness. With these 2 tablespoons, you're not just adding to your mask, you're adding to your skin's vitality. Now, let's get mixing. Combine the cocoa powder and coconut milk in a clean bowl. Stir them together until they blend into a smooth paste. This part is a bit like baking, but instead of creating something for your taste buds to enjoy, you're crafting a treat for your skin. Keep in mind that the texture of your mask is adjustable. This means you can add a bit more coconut milk if you prefer a thinner mask, or more cocoa if you like it thicker. The beauty of DIY skincare is that it allows you to customize your experience based on your individual skin needs and preferences. As you mix, you might notice the delightful aroma of chocolate and coconut wafting up. This is just one of the many sensory pleasures of this DIY face mask. It's not just about nurturing your skin, it's also about indulging your senses and creating a moment of self-care that feels like a personal spa session right in your home. Once you have a smooth, consistent paste, your mask is ready. You've now created a nourishing, hydrating face mask using simple, natural ingredients. It's a testament to the power of nature and the magic that can happen when we take skincare into our own hands. And there you have it, a smooth, chocolatey face mask ready for application. With this mask, you're not just slathering on a skincare product, you're applying a concoction that you've personally made, knowing every ingredient that's gone into it. This is skincare at its most personal and empowering, so go ahead, treat your skin to this delightful homemade coconut indulgence. Applying this mask is a delightful, spa-like experience. Begin by washing your face with warm water. This opens up the pores and prepares your skin to fully absorb the nourishing ingredients. Using your fingers or a brush, spread a thin layer of the cocoa and coconut milk mixture over your face, avoiding the delicate area around your eyes. The mask will have a velvety texture, making it easy and satisfying to apply. Let the mask sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, perhaps read a book or listen to your favorite podcast. As the mask sits, the cocoa's antioxidants get to work. They combat skin damage caused by free radicals, reducing signs of aging and promoting a healthier complexion. Meanwhile, the coconut milk is providing a hydration boost. Its natural moisturizing properties give your skin essential moisture, which is crucial for maintaining elasticity and reducing dryness. The result is a skin that's not only protected, but also deeply moisturized and plumped. After the waiting period, gently wash off the mask with lukewarm water. Use a soft washcloth if necessary, but avoid scrubbing or tugging at your skin. Pat, don't rub your face dry. This gentle approach ensures that you're not undoing any of the mask's good work. You might notice an immediate difference in the feel of your skin. It's likely to be softer, smoother, and more supple. Over time, with regular use, these benefits will only increase. This mask is not just a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in your skin's health. Remember, skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. This mask, with its simple, natural ingredients and its spa-like application process, is as much a treat for your senses as it is for your skin. After washing off the mask, your skin will feel nourished and rejuvenated. This DIY cocoa and coconut milk face mask is a delightful way to pamper yourself while taking care of your skin's health. So go ahead, treat yourself. Your skin will thank you. Maintaining a skincare routine is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's a journey that requires patience, dedication, and most importantly, consistency. Consistency is the secret ingredient to any successful skincare regimen. It's not about instant transformations, but about gradual improvements that make a lasting impact on your skin health. Now think about our delightful cocoa and coconut milk face mask. It's brimming with nourishing antioxidants from the cocoa and hydrating properties from the coconut milk. But to truly unlock all its benefits, this mask should be an integral part of your skincare routine. Using it 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot that allows your skin to soak up all its goodness regularly. Remember, skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. As you apply this mask, take a moment to breathe in the comforting aroma of cocoa and coconut. It's like a mini spa session right at home, a well-deserved break from the hustle and bustle of your daily life. This mask is not just a skincare product, it's a testament to the power of natural, eco-friendly ingredients. In a world that's increasingly filled with chemicals and artificial additives, it's a refreshing reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. It's about treating your skin with kindness, feeding it with ingredients that are as wholesome as they are effective. And there's something incredibly empowering about creating your own skincare remedies. It's a declaration of self-care, a moment where you choose to prioritize your well-being. So as you whip up this mask, remember, you're not just making a skincare product, you're making a commitment to your skin. And finally, remember, consistency is key. It's the steady, repeated actions that lead to significant results. So stick with it, be patient, and soon you'll start to see the radiant, healthy skin you've always wanted. So here's to radiant skin and to a skincare routine that's as delightful as it's beneficial.